Staithes is a small seaside village on the north-east coast of England. Nestled between two cliffs, the old fishing port is now a famous tourist attraction and a perfect place to enjoy some time beside the sea. Staithes is best known for its link with James Cook, the famous Royal Navy captain and explorer. In 1745, at the age of 16, James came to Staithes as an apprentice, but he fell in love with the sea and decided to become a sailor. After a short while, Cook moved to Whitby, where he joined the Royal Navy and became famous for his voyages. The tourist attraction of today is the Captain Cook and Staithes Heritage Centre. The museum contains over 200 books, letters, medals and more, showing Cook's incredible life and career. Staithes is sheltered by high cliffs, and it's a steep climb from the harbour to the cliff top, but the views are definitely worth it. This stretch of coast where Staithes is located is sometimes called the Dinosaur Coast, and it's very popular with fossil hunters from across the country. You can choose to go on an organized fossil hunting trip or explore independently. Staithes has a lot to offer. The village is full of character, from winding cobbled streets to the charming 18th century cottages. This place is definitely worth a visit.